Are you a home service business owner or solo operator? Do you want more leads, more customers, and make more money in your business? Business is hard right now. There's the cost of living crisis, there's inflation, prices are rising, and people's spending habits are changing. It's harder to generate leads and earn a decent living. I get it. So what if I told you I can show you a super simple way to generate more leads, more sales, and make more money by implementing 3 simple secrets I've learned from over 20 years in the home service industry and that I've personally used to sell tens of millions of dollars worth of products and services directly to homeowners. This system and process is easy to use, it's low cost, it's quick to implement, and it really takes the guesswork out of finding leads, then converting those leads into high-paying customers for your business. Best of all, this works in any area, no matter what service or product you're selling. You can copy it exactly and get to work in your business in 7 days or less without spending a fortune on ineffective ads that just don't work. So if you have a service business of any kind, you need to check out my brand new, totally free 5-part mini course that breaks down the exact step-by-step process and reveals the 3 secrets that took me decades to master and allowed me to sell tens of millions of dollars of home services. I'll show you real-world examples and case studies from actual businesses that have followed this simple system. It's only 30 minutes long, so go ahead and sign up for the training now. It's free and I guarantee it's worth every second of your time. All you have to do is click the link below to get instant access. I guarantee you won't regret it, and I'll see you on the inside.